Today we're going to discuss the Thor F-M4SDI-ET-TxRx. 4 HD-SDI plus Ethernet plus RS-485 with optional analog audio or contact closure over one single mode fiber. Featuring 4-channel forward SDI with full HD up to 1080i at 60 Hz, bi-directional 10100 fast Ethernet transceiver. Error lights on both TX and RX indicate fiber disconnection. Optional auxiliary card features, analog audio, contact closure, RS-422 or RS-232. Supports single-mode fiber up to 20 kilometers. Setup is remarkably easy. Connect fiber, connect SDI, connect Ethernet, connect power. In our test environment, we will be using the Thor HD-SDI PG pattern generator, with a testing distance of 35.4 kilometers of single-mode fiber. Our SDI signal chain goes from pattern generator to the transmitter to the fiber to the receiver to the monitor. The Ethernet signal chain goes from the network switch through the receiver, fiber, and transmitter to the computer. Visit our website at thorbroadcast.com and find the F-M4SDI-ET-TxRx in the SDI fiber optic extenders and digital audio extenders section. Thank you for watching.